Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create and edit a duet video on CapCut. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project. Here select a photo as your background and then put it on your timeline. Here I'm going to customize the canvas first. Now let's delete the ending. Here I'm going to extend it. In here tap on add overlay and then add the videos on your timeline, and here extend it and then put it here like this, and then watch your video. Here I'm going to split the videos like this, and then after adjusting it on your canvas like this, watch your video. This way you guys can create a duet video. And here is another way. Add your video and then tap on add overlay, and now add another video. Then you guys can cut out the video by tapping on transformation and then tap on here, and now crop the video as you want. Now put it where you want. So this is how you guys can create and edit a duet video on CapCut mobile. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.